Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Western Wardrobe 2. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and thank you watching my channel and YouTube videos. So friends, today in this video, I am sharing one of the most beautiful, stylish and gorgeous collection of popular leather mini skirt with beautiful plated for girls and women. So please keep in touch with this amazing video for more design and more ideas. When you watch this video till the end, you will know about beautiful designs one by one, and I am sure you will find your choice in this amazing collection. So all these designs and style are introduced for yourself. Make it the part of your wardrobe. You will definitely like it, and your outfit will perfectly match with the designs of outfits. So guys, please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends, relatives, and give your feedback in the comment section. How was your collection and videos? So goodbye dear friends, see you soon again with another amazing fashion and collection of beautiful mini skirt for girls and women.